Every luxury product begins far from the factory floor. Control and traceability begin at the source.
Quality is measured long before processing begins.
The journey to transformation begins with movement. Every step is controlled, every detail monitored. From origin to industry, the process is already in motion. The road narrows as raw material approaches refinement. Every facility begins with controlled access.
Inside these walls, transformation awaits.
Precision begins even before unloading.
Verification ensures consistency at every step. The raw form meets the threshold of transformation.
The first transfer marks the start of industrial handling.
Beyond this point, every step is engineered.
Every input is measured before transformation.
And now, the process truly begins.
Before refinement, impurities must be removed.
Water and motion begin the first transformation.
Pressure looks stable at 500 psi.
Good, the impurities are clearing.
Only the best materials move forward.
Grading defines the path each piece will take.
The finest materials now enter the heart of transformation. The material begins its chemical transformation. The transformation emerges from within the drum. Each fiber absorbs strength and flexibility. Control removes what the process no longer needs. Prepared material now moves towards stabilization.
Balance between air and time defines the texture.
I keep bringing you useful AI-based videos. One like and subscribe. What really supports me? Watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comments.
Uniformity is engineered through controlled force. Surface refinement reveals the material's character. Color brings identity to every piece. Heat seals the transformation into permanence.
Technology now reads what the eye cannot.
Precision. Precision ensures only excellence moves forward. Accuracy defines the next stage of transformation. Organization prepares for final craftsmanship.
Now, the pieces come together for completion.
Craft meets machine at the point of assembly.
Every seam carries the strength of precision. Refinement defines the difference in detail.
Finishing touches elevate the final form. Texture and shine complete the visual identity.
Every component locks the design into reality.
Every final product must prove its perfection.
Detail decides approval or rejection.
Strength defines true luxury beyond appearance. Accuracy ensures every piece matches design standards.
Science confirms what craftsmanship creates.
Only the finest earn the mark of completion.
Every detail is preserved for the journey ahead.
Identity is fixed before the product leaves the floor.
Organization prepares for global distribution.
From factory floor to worldwide destinations. And this is how modern factories produce luxury leather bags from start to finish.